Let's add some more homemade cleaning products to our DIY cleaning caddy. We've already got glass cleaning spray and an all-purpose spray. So today we're going to fill this container with a soft scrub cleanser, and this shaker jar will fill with a powdered cleanser. Both of these are scouring type cleaners that are great for eliminating the greasy gunkies that builds up in bathrooms and kitchens. Hi, I'm Michelle, and I'm here to help you create your slice of country living wherever you live. Welcome to Chocolate Box Cottage, the sweet spot between old-fashioned skills and modern convenience. If that sounds intriguing to you, I invite you to subscribe. Today we're adding 2 more products to our DIY cleaning tote, a soft scrub paste cleaner and a scouring powder. These 2 products are great for cleaning hard, non-porous surfaces like sinks, bathtubs, stainless steel, and for spot cleaning on tile. I've already restocked my cleaning caddy with glass cleaner and all-purpose cleaning spray, and I'll put the link to that video in the description box as well as in the pinned comment. I'll also add a link to the blog post where you can print off an instruction sheet that'll take you right through the steps to creating your own cleaning caddy full of homemade cleaning products, as well as you'll be able to print off the labels that you can put on your bottles. Let's start with the soft scrub cleaner. This one is a paste and we call it Goop at our house. The nice thing about Goop is that it stays where you put it. Some surfaces like the sides of a sink or a tub are just easier to clean with a product that stays where you put it. And this one does just that. It's made of just 2 ingredients: liquid soap and baking soda. It's that easy. You can use a liquid dish detergent from the dollar store or a liquid Castile soap. You'll want a container that has low sides so that you can reach all the way into the bottom to get to the product. A small jar like this is fine, or you could save a container from something you purchased at the store and repurpose it. So we're going to use this little jar and just fill it about halfway with the soap. And then add some baking soda. Stir these 2 together, and you've got your cleaning goop. You can keep adjusting the consistency with soap and baking soda until you get it a little goopier than what you think it needs to be. It will firm up a little bit overnight. So if I'm going to add a little bit more baking soda. If the next day it looks too thick, you can just add some more soap. There we go. That looks about right. And you can see why we call this pink goop at our house. You can also add powdered herbs like rosemary, lavender, or fir needles to add a nice texture. Make sure they're ground really fine so they'll go down the drain easily. And you could add a few drops of essential oil, particularly if you're using an unscented Castile soap. That will make it a pleasure to use because it will smell so nice. But either way, you're going to enjoy using your cleaning product because you know exactly what's in here and you know it's safe. All right, now let's make our scouring powder. I've been a big fan of a particular brand for many years, but as the price went up and availability went down, I decided to try a homemade version, and I'm really happy with this one. It makes a good stand-in. The recipe is from Rachel Lumen, and I'll add a link to her blog below. You could alternatively just use baking soda. Baking soda makes a nice fine scouring powder, but if you want to boost it a bit, give this a try. You'll need baking soda, salt, borax, and essential oils. It's just 4 simple ingredients, and these are available at the grocery store. We'll start with a cup of baking soda and half a cup of salt. Make this just your plain salt. Don't use your fancy salt here. We'll add half a cup of borax, and this is found in the laundry aisle at the grocery store. And then if you like, you can add some essential oils to give it a nice scent while you're cleaning. I like to use lemon. So just stir this together really thoroughly. And we've got our product. Our scouring powder is done. You can put it in a pint jar and use that as a dispenser. Just take a canning lid and punch holes in the lid and use that for a shaker jar. We did it. We replaced 2 more commercial cleaning products with homemade versions. We've got our Goop, the cleaning paste, and we have a scouring powder to add to our cleaning tote. We've also got glass cleaner and all-purpose spray. And you might want to look up another video I made on spoon butter. This is a great product to use on your unfinished wood, like this table. It's also great on cutting boards and wooden spoons. So we'll pop that in there. And you'll want to add some other cleaning implements, like a sponge with a scrubby pad on one side, perhaps a piece of steel wool, and a toothbrush, of course. These are so handy for getting into those crevices and corners that need to be cleaned. And who can resist a feather duster? So we'll pop that in there as well. Complete cleaning tote. Now you get to decide where you want to keep it. Make sure it's in a spot that's easy to access. This might be under the bathroom cabinet or under the kitchen cabinet. Make sure that it's convenient so that you can easily get to your products, and it'll just make it that much easier to keep a clean house. Thanks so much for visiting today at Chocolate Box Cottage. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.